Bench partners and promoters surprised at SB19's impact to the audience at Body of Work 2025. Aside from 18 and the fans of the artists who walked the Bench Body of Work runway, ay present din ang mga bench partners and promoters na nakapwesto malapit sa stage. And you can see them in these videos na talagang nagulat sila sa lakas ng hiyawan at sigawan sa introduction pa lamang ng SB19. Not only that, you can see these people turning their cell phone on to record SB19's damn live performance. Dito talaga makikita kung gaano kalakas ang naging impact ng SB19 hindi lang sa mga fans kundi lalo na sa mga casuals.